Welcome back to Tot Family's Kitchen, a place where you can get cooking inspirations with easy to make recipes. Simply follow the step-by-step videos to achieve a great cooking experience and a guaranteed amazing taste. In today's video, you're going to be watching how to make the cherry cake in only 3 simple steps. You'll be needing 2 eggs, 150 grams of flour, 200 grams of natural yogurt, 10 grams of vanilla sugar, 100 grams of oil, 150 grams of flour, 7 to 10 grams of baking powder, 200 grams of cherries, and a small slice of butter. First of all, preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Then you want to crack your 2 eggs into a large bowl. Add the sugar, oil, vanilla sugar, and your yogurt, and now mix it all using a whisk. Next up, you want to add the baking powder and a small amount of flour. Continue mixing. Then take some more flour and then continue to mix. Do this until no more flour is left and the mixture is well mixed. Take your baking tray, which is about 30 by 20 centimeters, and use a slice of butter to grease the bottom. Then you want to pour all of your batter into the tray and then hit it onto the surface to burst all of the air bubbles. Finally, place all your cherries onto the cake, but make sure you do not push them into the batter. For the very final step, put it into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. To check if it's done, poke a barbecue stick into the middle. If it comes out with batter, the cake needs to go back in the oven. Then, you can repeat the same step when you think the cake is done again. Then, it should all be done and it's ready to serve.